Hi there, it's George here. I have a request to show you update on my Sequoia tree seedlings which I planted from seed, and spring update now. As you can see, I moved all the pots outside already and will grow outside in the pots. And last update was in winter, so they're looking now amazing. These are very beautiful. As you can see, over winter did not grow so much, but so beautiful and have new grow, as you can see. Amazing. Number 2, as you can see, this update will be more fast. It's beautiful too. And another one. When I will see roots on the holes of the pots, I will have to repot. But so looking my Sequoia seedlings and another 3 seedlings, more young, but they are okay and will grow over summer, just beautiful. And I'm happy that they are doing really good, and so happy. And moved some plants outside already because warming up. And these are my dragon fruit and a lemon tree, beautiful, which wants to bloom, as you can see. And today it's a rainy day, a beautiful day. And also here I have aloe vera. It have many babies. Here have to divide, have to repot in more large pot. And the moso bamboo, it is just brilliant, as you can see. And I take it outside already. Here I have weed grass. Amazing. This is very beneficial. And one big aloe. Not aloe vera, this is another variety of aloe. So looking now getting green all in springtime. And I collect water from the rain, as you can see, for watering my plants. That's all for this video. So happy to see this beautiful sequoia that growing just amazing. And thanks so much for watching to the end. If you want, can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. See you later. Bye bye.